Namo Himalaya to everyone. Today we have a beautiful soul, Rohini ji, with us. Those who have done, she's done one beautiful mind training, which is Trinity with Akshay Yoga. So let's know that how her transformation has been and what she has experienced throughout. So let's welcome her. So Rohini ji, we welcome you. Namo Himalaya.
Namo Himalaya, Sahilaji.
Rohini ji, it would be so beautiful that if you can give a brief introduction about yourself.
Yes. First of all, I would like to say thank you to whole Akshay Yoga team for introducing me like this for an interview. I'm
Rohini
Rohin.
ji, before I interrupt, you're not
Yes.
very audible. If you can speak little
Okay.
loud, ji, that would be so great.
Yeah, sure. Sorry. I'm Rohini Suryavanshi. I'm from India and I'm a computer engineer. I was working as a software developer
Mm-hmm.
and right now I'm working as a content creator, like writing. I'm also a mandala artist. And
Oh,
yes, I've been following like yoga since I was in eighth standard, like that
oh,
young age. It was not fully whole practice, but I was in touch with yoga and I was familiar with asanas and all that.
oh, so you are a very creative person.
Yeah, you can say that.
Indeed, that's beautiful, ji. So, Rohini ji, I would like to ask you that how did you start your journey with Akshay Yoga?
Actually, I came to know about Grandmaster Akshar when I was going through Master Sri Akashana's videos,
Ji.
and I was introduced to Grandmaster Ji, and in 2019 that was, I guess. But in 2020, when the lockdown started in India in April, I guess April or May, there was a master event of Master Sri Akashana where I had one-on-one session with Grandmaster Akshar. So from there, I came to know him, and with the it was like a conversation of about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, immediately I searched him in all the social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Google. I have searched all about him, and I just joined him that very moment.
Hmm. Roshni ji, before we move ahead, just another time, I would love to say that you maybe have to speak little loud, if possible,
Okay.
ji.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, ji. So, Rohini ji, I would also love to know, as you said that you have been searching for Grandmaster ji. So,
Yeah.
what was there that moment where you thought that this mind training course is for me and I should go for it? What was that moment, if you can share with us?
Uh, I would I means sorry, I didn't recognize one particular moment, but it was like a series of the steps you climb up, and you go want to go more further, like that. So in Master Shri Akashana's event, I was introduced to a event or the course which was going to happen. That was spiritual abundance,
Ji.
and I was so much interested into it, knowing the facts and details it was going to happen and what it was going to like what they are going to show us. So I was bit interested, but again, then there was some financial problem, so I couldn't join the course. So after that, so I was like, okay, if not the spiritual abundance, let me take myself from the one step lower. So I joined beginners course, then holistic weight loss program. I've done it twice, and likewise, I got into initiation course. Then
Oh,
when I had talked with Master Vijay ji, then
mm-hmm.
Vijay ji suggested me there are two courses, but for to have the personal internship under the guidance of Grandmaster Akshar. So he introduced me to the Trinity course, and you won't believe, till 2 days before the Trinity was going to about to start, I was
Ji.
like whether should I join it or not, what will it happen and all that. But I will tell you that it was the best decision of my life. It was the turning point of my life, the Trinity
Mm-hmm.
initiation. and it completely changed my life, mind, and overall, I have transformed from physically to mentally to spiritually. What it says, it is really a great. It was the great course of my
So
life.
it was a complete transformation for you. Wonderful.
Yeah, yeah. I
So,
would definitely say that.
Rohini ji, I would also love to know from you that what impact it has put to your lifestyle, as in, the day to day, as
Yeah.
such mind trainings are being programmed or they are being given out and the knowledge is being received by us to,
Yes.
to implement in day to day life. So how did it help you?
Uh, so I will go by 3 to 4 points. The first
Ji.
very point was I was lazy, like I was a couch person, literally. No, before Trinity started, I was like waking up at somewhere around 8 a.m. in the morning,
Hmm.
and after the Trinity what Trinity training I have been gone through, or the practices I'm practicing right now,
Hmm.
my day starts at 3 a.m. in the morning,
Hmm.
and it's 8 and it's end at 2 a.m. in the midnight. So I'm waking up 3 a.m. My day literally starts at 3 a.m. in the morning. So that has changed completely, and I feel totally energetic, even though my sleep timings have reduced. And secondly, I was I was very heavy on the side. I cannot live. I was an emotional eater. I used to eat a lot. But you won't believe, like I'm on the third day of water fasting for the meditation practices I'm going through, and it's unbelievable. Even my parents are not believing that I'm like from the past 3 days I have been on water fasting, and this is surely the transformation just because of Trinity. I completely say that.
Rohini ji, that would be great if you can really answer this question again because I think we lost you somewhere in the between.
Oh, okay.
So
So,
sorry.
no, that's okay. Trinity was really a life changer, game changer for me
Hmm.
because the three most important things changed into my life is in my lifestyle was my day started like 8 a.m. before Trinity, and after Trinity, my day is starting at 3 a.m. in the morning.
Hmm.
I wake up at 3 a.m. I do all my practices. There are various practices and techniques Grandmaster Ji taught us in this Trinity, and I almost go to bed like 12 a.m. in the midnight.
Ji.
So it was like it's like I'm spending more time of the day being awake and less of the time being sleepy. So that is the very transformational thing for me, for a person like me. Secondly, I would say that for me, food was very important, like top-notch importance of my life. So I was like, every time I was emotional eater, I used to like sweets a lot. I used to have chocolate, everything. And also because of my food habits, I have gained a lot of weight. So secondly thing was like I gained control over my hunger. My taste has been changed.
Hmm.
I only crave for healthy food.
Hmm.
And the next thing is like from the past 3 days, I've been on water fasting. I'm just
Oh.
having water and nothing else. And I still feel completely active throughout the day. I practice 2 hours session, 2 hours of yoga in the morning, and there's 2 hours of workout in the evening at the gym. And still, I'm like I feel very light and energetic till the end of the day. So that is a quite big lifestyle change for me. And this happened only because of Trinity. And thirdly, my mind has completely changed. The patterns, basically, it's totally a mind rewiring program.
Ji.
So
So
yeah,
it was
Trinity
a
has
very, very great transformation which you have shared with us. So we
yes,
yet want to know more about it. So moving ahead from here,
yes,
Rohini ji, generally what happens that once we are here with certain norms, we are put under certain mind conditioning that maybe we are not the we categorize it that this is one dreamy world and this is what reality. But I would love to know from your side that with this mind training, how did you get more clear over it and what clarity you gained?
With this mind training, the first thing Grandmaster taught, or like I would really say, he has hammered us at some time, like declutter yourself, declutter your life, declutter your mind, declutter your everything. And only because of this mind training, na, I was able to take very bold decisions into my life. Like there were people like my school friends. They were, I won't say they were negative, but they were not good for my energy circle. So, and only because of Grandmaster, I was able to cut them out of my life because they were not serving me like in my energy way or something like that. Likewise, I choose which situations I should react or respond, where
Mm.
my attention should go, where my focus should go. What should I, even for a slight minute or second, I realized that no, I'm going, which is not necessary for me, or my focus is going towards unnecessary things. I I come into na Arambha Dhyan practice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
I just
beautiful
exhale
practice.
out whatever I don't like it, and I just inhale what is needed to be in this present. So that is a very mind triggering thing, I guess. And yeah, it has completely changed my mind pattern. I would definitely say that.
See, Rohini ji, I would also love to know that the techniques which were taught, the knowledge which were given to us, so how these techniques are helping to plan or to design the structure of your life consciously.
Consciously, yeah. Okay. One of the most loved technique by me from this Trinity initiation was the Tratak practice.
Yes.
I just, I had very wonderful experiences while doing this Tratak
Mm.
practice, and it has completely changed. First, I used to have the confusion. It has cleared my all the confusions. I have more clarity, and consciously, I'm now only breathing and working towards what for me. Like before, I used to have this mindset, very limited mindset that no, this should be this much. We shouldn't have all the things in abundance or like that. I was like that kind of a person. So we should only take what we need or something like that. And we should not move for money or more for something like that. But after this Trinity initiation, my mindset has completely changed. And secondly, I would like to share that because of this Trinity, na, I have become this limitless person. I'm living my life full at consciously, like who is coming to me, okay, what is going to happen next after this what discussion or after saying this. So instead of reacting, I'm responding and I'm closing people down there only. You know, the things are happening in the way I want. I am choosing now. Before this Trinity, my mind used to choose what should I do, but now I've become friend with and like I'm choosing what to happen in this life and what not to happen with me.
That's
So that is
very
a very
wonderful.
great.
That's very beautiful. That actually, indeed, it's not only, it's rather all of us, those who live with such mind conditionings, that
Yes,
we segregate ourselves or we limit ourselves. But these mind trainings really do help us that we, being the source and the channel, have everything. We just know the right, we should know the right technique to gain or to get
exactly.
everything. Very
Yes.
well framed. So that's very beautifully framed, rather. So
Thank
with
you.
this, I also want to ask you that, whenever we are undergoing certain learning or certain things, we have certain takeaway from that. We connect so well with something, something one really, we get that connected and we feel, yes, this was for me. This is for me. I'm adapting it and this is my takeaway. So what was that?
For me, that takeaway was like take bold decisions and work for yourself instead of working for people. By working on yourself and working for yourself, you indirectly work for people. That's what the whole point I got it. Because before this, I was a very before Trinity initiation, na, I was very people's person. Like what they want, what they don't want. I used to always in that dilemma. Should I do it? Should I say it? Because the people shouldn't get hurt, or someone. It might. It would be a wrong, or it wouldn't be a nice thing to say like that. But after this Trinity initiation, I realized that no, if you work on yourself, if you work for yourself, na, you have the ability to influence more life in a very positive way. Because if you are in a very low or in a negative emotion, or your mind is not cleared what you want, you can damage. For now, you will, for the moment, you will make people happy by saying yes or not. But it is not good for in the long run. So you are going to say directly or indirectly you are going to damage them also while damaging yourself. So it was really a takeaway moment for me when I realized that no, I have to work on myself, I have to work for myself, so that uh, I mean ultimately the people are going to have that positive side of me, positive vibrations of me, positive energy of me on their life. So that was a takeaway moment for me.
Gee, I have another request that if you can probably speak little louder, maybe you can bring your mic closer to you.
Yeah, that is okay.
Yes, Ji, it's better. Thank you, Ji.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So I have another question, brother, that how do you now see your existence to be in this universe, especially after the initiations which has been provided to us? As per,
Yeah.
it is considered that initiation is something which has been injected into us. And once
Yes.
we keep working, it's keep growing. So I
Yeah.
would really,
Yes, Sahila ji. Firstly was like before any initiation, like I haven't gone through any initiation in my whole life. This is the first time I have been initiated in some in very powerful practices. So before initiation, I was very, like I said earlier, I was very limited and stubborn person. So it used to affect everything into my life and everyone around myself. So after being initiated, no, I have known that I'm a limitless person. There are no boundaries for me to explore. The knowledge, the plethora of knowledge has expanded so much in so many ways. Now I know my perception has changed. When your perception changes, you automatically start seeing the opportunities you have instead of seeing it as a blockage. So
yes,
I would say that that is the number one block which I got through it from my mind. The blockage has removed that, uh, seeing everything in a limited one. So that is very good. And secondly, I would say that the what we say now, it's like open person. I've broken all the barriers around me, which which I also, I was the one who created them. So I just destroyed them, and I'm now open and a very lively person. So I'm more happy, I'm more smiling, and apart from this, I'm more productive. I'm thinking in a ways like, okay, this could have some another perception. Okay, how this thing could to be a next level in a very progressive and a very productive way. So that is very enchanting for me. Like, it's like that for me.
of course, who do not want to lead such a productive life?
Yeah, exactly.
We all want to.
Definitely.
So, Ji, any message from your end to share with others, those who are looking forward for a very powerful and a happy shift in their lives?
Uh, I would, my first message would be to have means to let the happen in your life. I would suggest people that you have to take the bold decisions. You have to decide it. Take
Very well.
whatever the opportunities come to your way, and then make it use. Even if they are not useful for you right now, or you are not seeing it consciously or unconsciously, but
Hmm.
stay working. It is a stepping stone for your very next journey.
Yes.
That's it.
Agreed. It's a stepping stone because this knowledge is very, very, very vast, and
Yes.
once we keep taking it, we keep growing.
Yeah,
So very,
exactly.
very beautifully framed. It was so good to have you, and moreover, I'm happy to know your transformation part that you have
Yeah.
transformed in every sector of life, like where you mentioned that your life has become more productive
Yes.
and your body wise you have transformed your
Yes. Yes.
emotions like you have worked on every sector like as in this mind program has helped you in every sector of your life. It did not even be
Truly,
one
truly.
sector of your life, and especially the mind conditioning which we all have to limit our
Yes.
minds. So it really helped you to break that as well, which is very much
Yes.
required. I think now it is the time, high time to realize that yes, everything is for us and these mind trainings can really help us. So it was so
Yes.
beautiful to have you and more of to know about your transformation. And many congratulations to you for your new journey, for your new path, and to clear all the blockages which you have cleared already. So
Yes.
it was so good to interact with you, to know you, and to know you. And I'm sure that you'll definitely grow more with every phase
Yes. Yes. Yes.
of time.
Yes.
So it would be so beautiful to keep looking you, seeing you growing. And this,
Thank
and I really wish and pray for you, and really wish you very, 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 very high growth. And may you touch the skies,
Yes.
and may all
Thank
your
you.
wishes
Thank
come
you
true.
so much. Thank you so much, Saila
No,
ji, for this wonderful experience. Thank you. Namo Himalaya ji. Thank you so much.